Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1995 to 2004 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the spare tire plate. We recommend cutting at an angle so you don't burn through the tubes. Then, grind down the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Once you have your spare tire plate in place, use a paint marker to mark its location. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the spare tire plate onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!